Hi everyone. Today I'm going to present my internship project from Ineuron, and my project is credit card default prediction. So in this particular project, I have to design the machine learning model which will be the predict the result whether the person will be a defaulter in the upcoming month or not. So the approach for the particular project is the classical machine learning tasks like the data exploration, data cleaning, feature engineering, model building, and model testing. And I have to figure it out the most accurate algorithm, means the accuracy will be high for the particular project. I have to figure it out the most accurate algorithm for this particular project. This is the EDA file for the particular project where I have imported various libraries for the feature engineering and model building. Like you can see the pandas, matplotlib for matplotlib, py.splt, numpy, cbond, sklearn, and the logging file for create the logs. This is the CSV file for the particular project. This is the predefined file in the internship project. So this is the Taiwan credit card data. So you can find out the same data on the Kaggle website as well. So where in this EDA file I used various library for creating the graphs and comparisons as well. So you can see. This is the feature engineering part. So I just jump on the algorithm part. So after all this kind of feature engineering, I use the machine learning algorithm for my particular project. So in this particular project, I use the random forest algorithm. Before using the random forest algorithm, I used various kind of algorithm like XGBoost, AdaBoost, but I got higher accuracy in the particular random forest algorithm. So I used to decide to go with the random forest, where I got the 81% accuracy. I used the pickle file for the pickling my models, like my saving the machine learning model as well. So all the code for writing the code, I use the Visual Studio Code as the IDE. So I am jumping into the Visual Studio Code as well. This is the complete code of my particular project. There are various files in this project. So before writing the code, I created the virtual environment for the same on the Python 3.7. So there are the various files in the project, like workflows file for the CI/CD pipeline. This is the template file for the HTML template as well, and this is the gitignore file. F file coming on that. EDA file, license, pickling file for pickling my models. This is the log file where you used to find out all the logs, all related logs, readme files, requirement file, and this is the same CSV file. So I'm jumping into the F file as well. So this is the this is the F file for my project. Here I imported various libraries for the project, and I used to configure numerous APIs for the database, for the HTML templates as well. So this is the complete F file for the same. So I'm just running it out. Python app.py. It is take a little bit of time depending on the system. So it will be it will run on my local server as well. So once I got the link, once I click on this link, I redirect the HTML template page. So once I I'm just filling the random information. It is amount is 6565. So yeah, so you will got the information. Credit card holder will not be defaulted in the next month. So all the data you will get in your Visual Studio Code as well. Like this is all the fields. This is the and it is stored in the form of array, and this is the feature, and it is stored in as a list. So the prediction value. So you can see the person will not be defaulted in the next month, so it will be give you the result as a 0. Okay, so I am just quitting it out. So yeah, so this is the complete files of my project. The same I already pushed on the GitHub as well, so I can give you a bird eye view for the GitHub files. So yeah, so this is the all file which I pushed from my Visual Studio Code. So this is the readme file as well. So I just give you the bird eye view for my CI/CD pipeline. So for this particular project, I use the superlinter for creating the CI/CD pipeline. So you can see this is the workflow file for my CI/CD pipeline. So this is the complete code of my particular project. So if I'm talking about the deployment, so for this code I used AWS, Amazon Web Service, for deploying a particular project, where I use the the services like Elastic Innet and the code pipeline for pipelining my code through the GitHub. So once I open this environment, I got the link for the particular project. So yeah, so the same link I got from AWS server. So once I open this link, I got this page. So once I entered the data, like so I am just filling the random data here. University is single, age is 25, amount is like this what. So I am just filling the random information here. Once I click on the predict button, so it will give me the result. So the credit card holder will not be defaulted in the next month. Okay, so you can see you can visualize the data in the database as well. So for this particular project, I use the MongoDB database for storing my data. Like once I click on the browse collections, so you can visualize all the required data here. So upper data is for I tested some random information. So yeah, so this is the result which you entered on this HTML template, like gender, education, age, limit balance. So after all this requirement, after all entering the required field, so you will get the result. Like prediction is 0, means the person will not be the defaulter in the upcoming month. So as you can see here, so so yeah, for this for not, so I give you the another example for this same data as well. So valid age is like 100, amount is 1000, and so I'm just using the same data for getting the information, like the person will be the defaulter. Like 1 to 2 month delay, 3 month delay, 2 month delay, 3 month delay, bill amount, like 596 887 So yeah, so once I click on the predict button, so you will get the information like the credit card holder will be the defaulter in the next one. So as you can see, I entered the data like this. Once I click on the refresh button, so you will get the newer entered data. So yeah, so you can see I entered the like gender is male, education is the university, age 199, and the very much so sorry, I realized the wrong data, correction. So yeah, so gender is male, education is university, age is 100, limit balance is 1000, and there is very much means a 6-month delay in the first month, 2-month delay in the second month. So it is the very well known that the person will definitely will be the defaulter in the upcoming month. So you get the information like 1. So so you can see, so you can use this particular data for the further means for training the further model as well. Means you can use the particular data increasing the model accuracy. Like suppose in my particular project I am just getting the accuracy of 81% according to my previous data, which I use the Taiwan credit card defaulter data from Kaggle. So once you get the 2 months data from here, so you can use this data for the further accuracy means for gaining the accuracy of your particular machine learning model as well. So yeah, this is the complete project and this is the complete end-to-end project you can say from my side. So yeah, thank you very much. That's all.